We will see how to download Python and install. Just open Google and write Python. Once you have written Python, let's see the download Python. If you come here and if you are using Windows, then download Python 3.6.4 and save file. Here you can see the Python completed. So here is a Python downloaded application. Let's try to install it, run as administrator. Yes. Install launcher for all and install now. After installation, you can search as a idle. You'll see here idle Python UI. Open it. You can see the Python file shell table. You'll see one by one tutorials.